Welcome to the Cour to the Grange Diaries. I'm Capelfin Ryan, British author and screenplay writer. So this video is the first Q&A, and this has come about because of so many of you people, friends, fans and followers on Instagram sent me a lot of questions both on the comments and in DMs wanting to know if I was okay, but you sent me questions just asking me little bits and pieces about my life here behind the gates of the Court of the Grange here in Orbifold. So I picked out 3 questions. I'll see if I'll answer all 3 today, or I'll just do 1 or 2, I don't know, but we'll see what happens. You'll know whenever they go up. So the first question is from Samantha K. I'm going to read the whole thing out because it's only fair. She did leave comments, so it was just out of respect. Your landlord sounds like a narcissist to me. You can never live with a narc. I've done it, or at least I've tried. She'll continue to make your life unhappy. Get out of there. How are you bearing up? Well, I wanted to say thank you so much, Samantha K, for even taking the time to ask me how I am, and even empathizing that you've been there and it's relatable. So thank you so much. That has actually just picked me up as well, that you can relate and you know the suffering that somebody like I can cause. I'm doing a lot better now, and the reason I am doing a lot better now is because I've kind of retreated inwardly. I've done my yoga, I've been working out, I've been eating super healthy, I've been mindful meditation, doing face masks, doing face saunas, doing my nails, doing my makeup more than normal, just as a morale boost and pick me up a little bit. And because I am really good at cutting off negative people, cutting off drama from people, because I live in a very calm, harmonious environment where it's my own creation. And anybody that penetrates that with their lies or their drama or their troublemaking, or trying to pin a neighbour against another neighbour, or pin a person against another person in the first place, regardless of the situation or the grounds for it. So yeah, I've been able to go into myself, work harder, do this content. You have encouraged me to open this channel in the first place, and if this channel wouldn't even exist if it wasn't for so many of you on Instagram asking me to do something more public, get the word out there, expose this deplorable abuse on many different levels. So yeah, so that is really giving me a release, because I'm not suffering in silence anymore. I'm not going to be a victim. I'm going to just tell the truth. I'm going to put it out there. Who listens to it will listen to it. I'm not here to get like a million or a gazillion followers or views. I'm just doing what I'm doing because I believe it's right. I'm making a horrible situation very public, and I will be discussing how I'm making that even more public, not just by a YouTube channel and my social media. It is more public than that, and I'm really grateful to those who have joined forces in order to make that happen. So by doing all of that, keeping my head above water, by realizing what's wrong and having a strong sense of values to be able to fight it in whatever way that I can, it's just given me a new lease of life. So I feel very different. I look very different because I'm not as stressed, I'm not as upset, I'm not as fretting or anything. My sleep's not as disturbed. I don't feel as miserable because it's like, oh, I still don't like it here by any means. That's never gonna change. I can't wait to get out of here, but I'm stuck here for right now until lockdown is over. And so this has given me a lease of being able to have my voice rather than having it restricted or stopped in impeded in any kind of way. I'm speaking the truth. I'm speaking my truth. I'm talking about my experiences, and that's making me feel good about being able to hopefully and potentially help other people from landing here as well. So that's really what's picked me up, and I really want to say thank you, Samantha K, for taking the time to send me your message, and I hope this answers it, suffices for you. So I will leave it here, and I will talk to you again on Instagram. So thank you so much for all your DMs and your public comments, to every one of you who are leaving them. So I really appreciate it, and really why I'm feeling as good as I am now is because of you. You've really given me a new lease of life by saying, get on social media, get in the more public domains and get the word out there. So thank you so much, and if it wasn't for you, this channel wouldn't exist. So you really have yourself to thank you, and I owe you a massive thank you as well. So I will see you again soon. God bless for now. Au revoir.